Welcome back, everyone. Today, I got my brother Dan over. Now, Dan recently went on a trip up in
Ravenhurst.
Ravenhurst. That's cool to say.
It's a fun word. So I went there before, but I had to go back because
Every beer you brought back from there was just phenomenal.
amazing. So when I saw beer in a pink can with Szechuan Peppers in, I thought, you know what? We got to do a brew review on this.
Now, this is the Pink Boots brew.
Which actually has a story.
Weird women in brewing. So, we've had a Pink Boots beer on here in the past. And here we got another one, all the way from Sawdust City Brewing.
In Gravenhurst.
It's the Brewster Blonde Ale with Szechuan Peppers. So it sounds like this could be really something to try. And I'm guessing that's why you brought it here today.
I had to try it. Yeah.
So I figured we'd do some smash burgers.
Burgers.
Smash burgers.
Smash burgers.
So I got the griddle attachment. I put it inside the Masterbuilt Gravity series back here. And we're going to cut up, well, we'll show you what we're doing.
Let's get started.
So I got the Masterbuilt fired up. Got the griddle attachment in there. I just cleaned the griddle. I sprayed it with some
I'm
oil.
staying a safe distance away. Not that I don't trust you or anything.
So I'm going to throw some cut up onions. Got about 3 onions in here. Put that on the griddle. Get that broken up. Get those started. Of course, we got a bit of a windy day, so close the lid down.
Close the lid.
All right, so we got our onions on the grill. Now we got 2 pounds of ground beef. We'll just divide this up into some patties.
Do you need a calculator?
No. All right, so what I like to do, 2 pounds of ground beef, just roughly break it in half.
Without a calculator.
Without a calculator. I try to make 6 even balls.
Yeah, it looks more like you're multiplying than dividing. It's just that there was 1 and now there's 6. Like, it's magic.
There we are. Save these when we're ready. Currently, I got the griddle here set up to 425 degrees. You can see how those onions are starting to break apart, get some color on them. Give these a couple more minutes. Okay, a couple more minutes here. What I like to do, start dividing up my onions here. And of course, we're making 6 burgers. So we're gonna have 6 different piles of onions. All right, so we'll take our ground beef, start placing it over our onions. And we've got a bit of parchment paper and our smasher. And smash those down. Squish them right into the onions like that. There. Now we'll just close our lid, give these some time. All right, Dan, you mind taking a closer look here? I got the burgers going. You mind just filming this part?
Sure, no problem. Let me do that. Let's see what we got here.
We're going to open it up here.
Oh, that looks amazing. They look so good. Oh, they look incredible, man. They're just so good. I can't wait to eat them. Sure, no problem. Let me do that. Let's see what we got here.
We're gonna open it up here.
Oh, that looks amazing. They look so good. Oh, they look incredible, man. They're just so good. I can't wait to eat them.
All right, so it's Dan's first time filming here, so we'll give him a break. But you can see we're starting to brown up here on the bottom. These are getting ready to flip. Smelling just fantastic here. All right, we gave this a few more minutes. You can see the fat starting to break down in the ground beef. We're getting some really nice browning on the bottom. They've been on probably about 3 minutes now. What we'll do, give these a flip.
Oh my God, it's the dried beef.
Right, just kind of slide these over.
I'm just wondering if any of your viewers will catch that dried bee reference. It's from a movie.
Oh, okay. There, now we'll start working on toasting our buns over here.
Do you want me to film that too?
There, here we got some nice fresh baked onion buns. We'll get those started. Then what we're going to do, add some Havarti cheese here to the burgers. All right, let's close our lid back down, give it a couple minutes. So a couple more minutes, eh?
So your apron matches
looks like
my
we
shirt,
match.
man. Check that out. That's a fine looking burger. That looks so good. Oh my goodness.
Now, we got what? Probably 3/4 of a pound on there.
3/4 of a heart attack. Yeah. 3/4 of something.
So, dive into this burger.
Yes. That's wonderful. Yeah, that's quite good. Tender, juicy, a lot of onion flavor.
Got to start off with good ground beef. That's the
And
key.
the beef is, yeah, very good.
I'm gonna take my apron off here.
My cooking apron.
Whenever I use the griddle, I find the apron comes in handy. I figured you might like this burger. I know we did those great big, close to 1 pound burgers last time.
They were ginormous. So good. You know, after eating a bit of this burger,
Yeah. Well,
I'm thinking we should try some of this delicious beverage.
I think you're right.
Let's do that.
So Sawdust City.
In Gravenhurst.
Yeah, Sawdust Brewsters brewed this delicious ale in cahoots.
With pink boots. We've named it Brewster Blonde.
So
raise a glass to those blazing the trail and crack open this light blonde ale with a zing of spice.
Ooh, a zing of spice.
A zing of spice.
Natalie Archer, Chief Operating Officer.
Oh, fizzy. Look
Very
at that. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Got a nice aroma to it. A little bit of spiciness to the aroma.
You taste it.
Slightly cloudy, but other than that,
As they
very fizzy.
say in Poland, na zdrowie.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, that's nice. I know that
Just
spice.
a hint of citrus.
That spice. I got that spice. I know what that
I'm
is.
still drinking the foam.
I've had that spice before. If you ever buy those chili peanuts, those Asian peanuts with the chili mixed in with them,
Oh,
that's what
nice.
this is. That's
It
the
almost
same chili
sneaks
pepper.
up on you.
Yeah.
At first, you're like, "Oh, where's the spice?" And then, "Oh, there it is, right at the back of the mouth."
Yeah, it's very easy drinking.
Very easy drinking, not
Which
overly.
is surprising. I thought it was going to be, I don't know, heavy and spicy.
Yeah,
but
well, I guess a blonde ale shouldn't be that heavy, but it's very nice. Very good.
Can we go back to eating our burgers now?
Let's go back and try
Let's do
some
that.
more of this delicious burger.
So tasty.
Oh my gosh, that was good.
Hey, guess what? I'm not hungry anymore.
Nice. All right, now that we're done those ginormous burgers.
Can we wash it down with some of this delicious beer?
Yes. Now it's time for the part everybody knows and loves.
The Richter scale.
No.
The bathroom scale.
No.
The fish scale.
Close. It's the Sophie scale.
The Sophie scale.
The Sophie scale.
What's the Sophie scale?
Well, first, what we're going to do, we're going to take a drink. We're going to think of a color. This crayon box is going to help influence our thoughts into picking that proper color. And then we'll reveal it to everyone out there.
The whole world is
The whole
going to know
world.
what's running around in our heads when it
Yes.
comes to drinking this beer.
So let's give it a shot.
Let's do it. All right. Cheers. This is a toughie. I mean, the can influences you one way right from the start. Right from the start. I'm gonna go with this. Oh my God! Look at that.
Oh, we're almost the same.
Whoa!
See, there's something to this Sophie
There's
scale.
something to it. I've got red, orange.
I've got scarlet.
Scarlet. Scarlet. Can I change hats for the end of the video?
Sure. Now we'll go into the next scene. Well, it was nice having you over today, Dan.
Always a pleasure to come eat your food.
Make some delicious smash burgers. That's my favorite burger. Nice and simple, just onions and beef, and a nice bun.
And a nice beer to go with.
But thanks for bringing this.
Well, you know, I saw the pink beer cans and I thought of you right away.
Another one for the Pink Boots Society here.
Congratulations to a job well done.
Very
This
nice.
is delicious.
So if you're in your local craft brewery,
You probably won't come across the Szechuan Peppers beer
no,
unless you happen to be in Gravenhurst.
Sawdust City Brewing. But if you do come across the Pink Boots beer, give it a shot.
Oh, yeah.
Bring it in your backyard.
And
course.
then enjoy it.
Find your place
And then enjoy it
and then enjoy it. And we'll see you next time
on the next
next
brew review.